Super Gaming Bros.
Hey wait, that's my dialogue, man.
No, it's Super Gaming Bros, and you can see my head here.
Hey guys.
Could they see my head in the middle?
I'm back.
Did they see my head?
No.
No, they didn't. Okay, whatever.
I'm
Hey guys,
back.
it's Super Gaming Bros and
It's Super Gaming
Bros. We are back with another episode of Watch Dogs. Hopefully it won't be as long as the previous one. So let's continue.
I'm Rahul.
Look at that ass. Look at that ass.
Watch Dogs!
Keep your mouth shut, nigga. Sorry I said nigga. Just ignore. What? Let me increase the volume. No, that won't be of any use. What? I just took a picture. Look. I took a damn picture. What the heck?
Hey yeah, I'm Shivam here.
And then why don't you increase the volume of the TV? Watch Dogs.
Yeah.
Watch Dogs!
Stop it. Crafted explosives or environmental explosions are the most effective weapons against an armored enemy. No, that's it. I'm nuts. Bring it down, girl. Shut up. No, just put it on 60 or 70 or something, you piece of nigga. I mean, sorry.
I'm
But
here, got
70.
it. Work.
Okay, there you go.
71.
Reach your hideout.
Yeah!
It's me playing, so it'll be quite fast, you know. Hey, you shook the damn cam, man. Damn cam. You shook the damn cam. There we go. It's proper.
Who's that man? Who's the man? Who's that
That's
man?
us!
Wait.
Shivam, you weren't there in the
What's her
first video.
name? What's her name? What's her name?
Shut up. My reputation is going down slightly. I need a good reputation. Almost high. Shut up! Let me play properly, okay? First thing I want to say is this game has mind-blowing visuals. Like the graphics are so amazing.
And it also has mind-blowing words. So if you're
Mind-blowing was like,
Wait. Yeah, that angle's perfect. Turn the tumbler.
who's that man speaking to? Is it
See?
us?
It's zoomed in on the face. It's gonna zoom in on the face, damn.
It's censored. Ooh la la.
See, it's focusing on his face. They're focusing on his face. Damn it. Stop lagging. Stop. There you go.
Your uncle's a different kind of person.
Yeah, it's different
Doesn't mean
shit.
I'm not different.
Yeah, it's different kind of piece of shit.
Is
Last time I said that most of you won't care about the storyline. So just leave a comment. Do you care about the storyline or you don't? If more people don't care about the storyline, then I just skip these cutscenes and get to the gameplay. For now, I'm just gonna go with the cutscene. Oh, that's
Did
a
he just hit it?
boom.
What the hell did he do?
Did that hurt his hand?
Hey guys, if you are provoked by bad words, so just don't watch this
If
video right now.
you feel any kind of insult or anything by bad words, then you might not know. Let me just introduce
With the F-bomb, F-bomb is happening.
There we go. 7 points up. Move your hand up. You mad man?
Don't put your hand. Don't put your hand.
Bad Boy 70. Yeah!
Something bigger, give me time.
He has shitty voice.
Let's increase
Kill
the
point acquired. Open the skill tree.
la 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 la. Shut up, man. Just stop.
That's complete
That's annoying.
nonsense. That is complete nonsense. Shut up.
Eltrain control, yes. Eltrain rocks. Bridges, blockers, wait. I wanna, yeah.
Sit down.
So I
Wow,
can steal cars. I don't have to break that piece of shit glass before stealing them.
Let's play.
Steady aim.
Play.
Focus, yes. Focus is the best skill. It slows time down. Nandan, stop making stupid damn noises. Fafla.
Don't copy me, you dumb.
No, stop.
It's not like that.
Stop. You're ruining the damn video.
Just bunker.
No, shut up.
I said to bunker.
No, don't.
Oh wow, glowing computer, take it.
Yes.
It's
Take
not
that friggin' computer.
Stop talking nonsense. We need to make a good damn video.
Okay, boss.
Okay, let's play.
Set down.
Okay, boss.
I mean, can I like Damn it, I can't change the time. I don't want to wake up at 6 o'clock. I want to wake up at 12 o'clock. I'm a lazy sloth. Anywhere.
It is so realistic.
Yeah, the world is black and white. How could I never know?
Man,
Hey.
this is so realistic.
You're the boss. Go to
Candyman. Chocolatey Candyman.
Chocolate, yeah. No. Okay, he's gonna shoot the tires.
What is this happening?
Big
Candyman.
Why is he wearing a mask and that guy's
Is that a glitch?
No, it's not a glitch, it's some shit. Not the damn sheep! You will not shoot the damn sheep!
Not the sheep.
You piece of milk!
That sheep was my favorite.
See, now they're burying the sheep. Oh, okay, they're burying a person too, sorry. I thought they were burying the sheep.
The sheep is dead meat.
The lead up Pierce. He sleeps like that. Who in the world sleeps like that?
Oh, I do.
You sleep like you're a
Sick
log.
of remembering her that way.
Never dream of a tiny face.
Never dream of her tiny face pressing the window when she knows I was coming over.
I just probably
With that
little.
little wobbly dance
Yeah.
she did. It's always the same nightmare.
There we go. Exit your metal. Oh, I can hack stuff.
Okay, so we
Yeah.
need to do the missions. Is this the most awesome thing in
But
the
if we had our own audio file, why would we need to do that? Oh.
I get my mind on
He's.
things.
Oh, he's
For me, the
flirting.
city's full of distractions.
He's 43 years old. What the hell?
Now for
This
me.
video is adult content.
Who's this guy? Who's this guy? Who that guy? Who that guy? Speed. Sanity.
Kill that girl. Just kill that.
Registered blood donor. Babysitter. What? Form a bunker. What the hell is a
I have
bus?
to thank CTO.
You can Google it.
It's a
Why
breach
am
of
I
the
talking
facial
like a
recognition
robot?
software, and I've got access
There you
to
go.
everyone's
Don't
personal
care.
details.
He's gonna jump up.
Yeah, we can jump off.
Allergic to
first
shellfish. Wow, I need hack stuff.
Allergic to shellfish.
Things. Stuff. Things, yeah. Oh, somebody got arrested for drugs. Okay. Go away, man. You doing drugs, man? You drugs? Drugs? He drugs. Do what the matter?
Can you kill
She
anyone?
won't me. She won't get away with it.
Just kill someone.
Okay, I'm just gonna borrow this car.
Hey, that's stealing. That's bad.
I'm
It's
borrowing
out of
it.
control.
Yeah.
We're not stealing, we're just borrowing without purpose.
Yeah, but that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, without permission, we're just borrowing.
I just borrowed it without his permission for. Oh my god, please reconnect control.
This video was gonna get ruined because of Nandi Gap.
Rahul, would you get the batteries there on the table? Like on the outside table. Stop playing that stupid game. Please. Shut up. Shivam, would you get the battery table?
Where's the battery, man?
On the dining table.
Where's the table, man?
Or in the hall.
Where's the hall, man?
Outside this way.
Alright,
Where's the
here
room, man?
somewhere.
Yeah, in it.
Just move carefully.
Where?
Don't get spotted.
Where's the?
Okay,
I'll just bring it.
Okay, you shook the camera.
Sorry about that. I was in a hurry, man. Hi guys, just for a second.
Guys.
Yeah, crime
Two batteries.
detection.
Babe. Okay, so what I gotta do is I need to get into that area. Okay. Now sprinting. I need to profile that guy somehow and take him down or use the city as a weapon. The usual. Oh.
She must be the woman he's after.
Hey guys, I'm back with the battery.
Okay, got it. Alright. I'll just do this bit and then we'll do the battery stuff. I'll hide. I'm gonna use that. Oh, camera.
Hey, we need to talk. There's nothing to talk about. We're done. Deal with it.
Fucking wrong. I'm not done
Get away!
Hey, bitch! What's up, nigga? You dead? There we go. He's dead.
Yeah.
There we go. He won't bother anyone now.
Kill that.
He won't bother anyone now because he's dead. Ha ha ha. Okay, I'm just gonna change the battery real quick right now. My precious ever readies. My precious ever readies. Can it focus? No, it can't. Damn it. My precious ever readies are gone.
Yeah, please connect the controller, man.
Yeah, I'm changing the batteries. Okay. Sorry, you have to see this, but I did not.
What's the man doing?
I know
What's the
the party's
man
starting.
doing?
It's already
It's
over.
October.
Boom.
Where are you?
I'm on my way.
You make me crazy. Jackson's really looking forward to it. Get over here.
Get your ass over here, you little
Miss you
insensitive
too.
dude.
I'll be there. Sorry, Nick. I need to take this. I'll see you soon.
Good. You got out. Look, if you need some wheels, give me a call. I'll set you
I
up.
have to
Three owned cars.
Kill him.
Brad,
Kill him.
register yourself as a
Can't
car
you kill
dealer.
him, man?
No, no,
I
no.
don't ask
Please
questions.
kill
This guy
somebody.
gets me any
No,
ride I
let's
want.
go.
And
My
I wanna
you
see
know
people
what?
jump.
I just hack
No.
people. I just hack people.
Don't worry,
Let's
Stuart.
see.
Oh,
My name is
so-
Shiva,
Anybody
and
else?
I'm a terrorist,
I'm
man.
gonna dump
No,
him at my
no,
little
shut up.
dumping place.
My name
What?
is Khan. I'm not a terrorist,
Life.
and my name is
Why?
Shiva.
Does it
Give me
get you
money.
guys
Give me
My
damn
name
money.
is
I'd pop him and be done, but
Yeah.
hey, you pay me right, I'll keep him alive as long as you want. I do
You
work
climb
for
over the hood.
You want a car. You
Car on demand. Yeah, you can like, hey, go, bro, move it.
High school football coach. I like football. I support Real Madrid. Barcelona fans.
No, Barcelona rock. Shut up.
Yeah.
Madrid is the
Udachi.
best. Oh, Madrid is the best. The debate on
Madrid
this.
is
Oh, Madrid is the best.
Shut up. I'm just gonna take Kodachi. It's white. It's Japanese.
Don't debate on this because Madrid is the best.
Keep your dead. Oh, you saw that.
Another of
Oh
those members was
shit.
killed in the
Hack
gunfire.
him,
He's a registered piece of.
Hack it. Sex offender. Hey,
You idiot.
did you see that? He was a sex offender.
Yeah, I hacked him and I took his money. That's what you get for doing shit that you're not supposed to.
Crush it, man.
Oh yeah, by the way, I knocked the focus skill. You know what it does?
I am a negative
You
person.
shut up, stop saying racist words. Oh, traffic lights, hack stuff for no reason. Stop being racist. Stop being racist, man. Stop being racist. I got black people as friends because black people are awesome. Obama black, Obama rocks.
Michael Jordan black.
Shut the
Rocks.
Yeah.
Chicago Bulls rock.
Oh,
I'm black. I rock.
Shut up. This called focus.
Yeah.
Ronaldo's bad.
I don't know since when hackers got the power to, slow down time and shit, but yeah. Apparently if you can hack, you can slow down time.
Hey, I can live.
That's some future generation shit.
Yeah, dystopian future.
Future generation shit.
Yeah. Big brother.
Who the heck is Big Brother?
I'm Big brother.
I'm your big brother, man. Badtameez se
Now
baat
shut
mat
up.
kar.
Big Bro.
You're not Big brother.
Badtameezi se baat mat kar.
Let them hear it. Okay, it's kind of bright, isn't it? It's too dark in the video, God's sake. Okay, it's too damn dark.
Jack's
But
last
it's
birthday,
also dark in the
taking off key.
game, so don't worry.
Happy birthday.
I'll minus the exposure a bit, so
Full
yeah.
throttle, the
Stuff.
whole squad.
Let this, perhaps. Yeah, it's as dark in the video game itself.
It's HD quality.
Yeah, HD
It's HD quality.
HD quality.
Try playing Xbox because it's HD quality.
Yeah, HD. Why are you looking at the time, man?
35% battery left.
Anti-violence activist.
Woo!
Grew up on a farm.
Grew up in a farm. Nandan, that's you.
Nandan has a big farmhouse.
He got
I wrote an essay on.
He got a big fat farmhouse.
A big fat bird.
No,
Jiggle.
a big fat farmhouse.
Okay.
Don't say copyrighted music.
I said jiggle, not wiggle.
Oh yeah, actually. Sam. No, I'm thinking that. Sam.
What are you gonna do with a big fat
Sam.
farmhouse? Jiggle.
In that case, you deserve
Blonde hair,
birthday
honey.
tickles.
There we go. Wiggle.
3, 4, 5, 6,
That's Nandan.
9, 10. Stay here for a second.
Who's that man?
Yeah, keep focusing it properly. There you go. Focus there.
So,
Why are there balloons on the
Wait.
house?
Yeah, I'm sorry, Nate.
I'm sorry.
Really.
It's his sister. It's his sister.
Hey, you're hugging mom, he says.
So look at you.
Let's have a look at you. What does that
You
mean?
look older.
I told you it's 18 plus. Has adult
Thanks for
consent.
that.
Shut up. Also, like, if a game is 18 plus
This first
and you're
birthday
fine
was
with it, like you're not offended by it, and neither are you influenced by
Still
it,
doesn't talk to
I think it's fine to play it. Like,
Hey,
as long as you don't start
This
imitating the
way of
stuff in the
maintaining
game, it's
some sort of
fine.
hey.
Yolanda.
Yolanda,
Therapist.
like Mendez, Yolanda Mendez.
It's good. Just
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my God, you shook the camera.
I'm
It's hard,
sorry.
but we're gonna get through it.
Earthquake! Earthquake!
Yes.
Rahul, if you're not gonna watch, then why don't you go behind? Like, what the hell? You haven't commented anything on this guy.
Happy birthday to you, little boy.
Wait, he hugs him?
Happy birthday.
Yeah,
He hugged his
smart,
mom
eh?
too.
Big.
Wait, this wasn't there before.
Happy birthday, dear hugged kid.
No, I'm pretty
The
sure.
healer.
Wait,
Cool.
this wasn't there before, damn.
Yvonne Marie toy, huh?
This
Why
was
don't
not
you bring up
there
your toys
before.
and speak with your uncle?
That boy is in puberty.
No, shut up. I played this game 2 times with that
10
dealer.
times.
This
2 times
matters.
this game was like this
You being
hug
here.
scene wasn't there. Like this
I
kid.
just need to make
The
sure
kid
that
just
things
runs
are
away
different.
because he's too shy. Man,
Things
maybe
are
we did
different.
something different this time. Oh, things are different there. I guess.
Yeah, that's right.
No, they did.
You're Jax.
He
Yeah,
doesn't say
don't
that last time.
People.
He doesn't say that stuff before. Just go check out another
I'm not
playthrough.
gonna
It's
stop
probably won't be
watching
there.
out for you.
That's why Xbox is
Always the big
best.
brother,
He
huh?
never says
Big
that.
bro!
She never says that damn dialogue. I think by coming like really fast, we get this sneak peek thing. Awesome.
Hey, look, it's a Toyota Supra.
Peekaboo.
I was back here.
Man, that's awesome.
Peekaboo.
Check out other playthroughs. Like, I want to do a shout out here. I want to do a shout out here. Check out Keralis. He has awesome videos.
You
Check
missed
him
out
out.
the fun. The kids are playing
Keralis.
Vigilante, imitating that guy they keep talking about on TV.
Except that we are the
Let me guess.
vigilante.
Jax was the vigilante.
No, they were all the vigilantes, and I was the only villain, but
Are you
I
mad?
make a mean bad
Why
guy.
can't you kill it?
I gave him hell.
Because
I
Try
should've
killing
killed
her.
she's my sister. I don't
Just
kill her.
try killing her.
Occupation, 5th grader. That's his occupation.
Remember when you and
What?
Mom were both sick as dogs, but
Ooh, I
Dad
got
insisted
meds.
his boy was going to have his birthday cake? That
Are
thing
those
was an
drugs?
abomination.
No, they're
Burnt
medicines.
and lopsided.
Oh, okay.
I was
Burnt and
sad.
lopsided. Shivam, does that
You know,
remind you of
lies about
something?
everything, but it was always
Burnt and lopsided.
listen to me anyway.
Shit! Five Nights at Freddy's! Shit!
Hack to bois. Just see that hack to bois.
No, don't let me interrupt you.
This is an important part.
Hack and
Hack the call, hack the call. Still
Who is
studying
this?
this.
this game should
You
be a
think blocking
hack
caller ID
and
will hide you?
slash.
Somebody's prank calling her. See,
Listen, the police can trace this call.
somebody's prank calling her. Oh, I can't. Okay, let's
Oh,
just.
nice. You don't scare me.
Like, is it focusing now? Yes, it does. Wow.
I know where you live.
I think this
I'm
thing.
gonna lock on those doors.
What the heck?
Listen, why are you calling? Do you feel
Actually, this video is brightened up like a lot. It's not actually. This is how the video, like when we played, this is how it originally looks. Like,
What's that?
yeah, right now.
Just matter, just some stupid
See, this is how it looks. It happens.
This is strong.
Shit happens.
Did you know his voice?
Jesus, Aiden, just leave it. It's fine.
It's fine. He thinks he can get inside.
How do you know
These are like
these
the
things?
first few videos, so we might try some
I
new
can handle
stuff.
this on my own. We do not need your help.
There you go, perfect.
I
Done.
can find the guy.
Aiden, God, you have not changed at all. We do not
Now
need
you're
your help.
going to get a
Please
new
stop
mission
trying
to
to
find
figure
the
out
guy.
every time you try, you just make things worse.
My God, what's happening?
Better go.
What's wrong with my brother
Yeah, I
and
think
my
that's
sister?
right.
I better go. Poor little Jackson sitting on a tree.
K-I-S-S-I-N-G.
Poor dude.
Grown man.
Ow.
Prank calls.
Yeah.
See
Good,
how safe
see
you
that
feel.
shit. No, there's a bike there, there's a stupid bike. I can't crash people if I'm in a damn bike.
There you are.
There you are, little boo. Found you. Gotcha, man.
Oh my God, he's here. Oh no.
Oh man, I don't have the gate, sir.
Take down the suspect.
I'm gonna have the damn gate. Damn it, I'm out.
Take down the suspect for you.
Afraid of this.
Take down
There you go. Look at that asshole. Take his ass down. Oh, normally it takes me like a lot of time to do this shit. Take him ass, take his ass down. Boom! Bitch! Get out the way!
Suck on that. Bitch.
Harassing calls and nickel, yes. Oh, something shot me.
So we have a deal? Shit, yeah, I can't believe you're paying me that. Prank call.
Somebody paid him to make a prank call.
Right? I'll mention the locks like you said.
Man,
No sounds.
This feels wrong. That's the point.
No songs, otherwise we'll get a copyright strike or
So
something.
who paid this asshole to harass Nikki? Who would pay?
yeah, who's that asshole? I'm sorry.
Who did that? Don't say bad words, man.
He said it first.
CTOS hacks.
Yeah, I'm still trying. They're picking you up.
Give me time.
Bad boys say.
Okay, there we go.
I need your help. then.
Nandan will play right
Trace a
now.
phone call.
Yeah.
Right now it's like one of the most hardest missions coming up.
Wait.
Like for the starting, not for the ending. Ending is even harder.
Yeah, let's check the time.
How much time?
11 minutes.
Oh, 21 minutes, not 11 minutes, man.
Somewhere in the loop is great.
So way out of time, man.
Okay. If I can hack CTOS inside the loop,
And I should be able to pinpoint his source back home.
Don't.
let's do that. Loop's
Okay.
opening a new CTOS.
Now we're gonna hack the CTO center and then we're gonna end the video. Nandan, do it fast.
Yeah.
Off the music, off the music, off the music, off the music.
And they just added more armed guards, so it won't be easy. Be careful.
You sound like my sister. Relax. Make sure I'm armed and dangerous.
Okay.
Get out!
Blue hires private contractors to guard their CTOS
He's
centers.
saying, man.
These guys will be geared
What's
up
he
and
saying,
wanted for
man?
action.
Stop the damn music, stop.
What
And
music,
I'll be
man?
ready.
Let's stop.
Yeah.
Woo! This music is coming on.
Hey, your finger, what's coming on the screen?
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
The CTO is not connected here. Once we
Yeah.
have the CTO center, then the will be connected.
Nandan should be good in driving because he plays a lot of racing games.
Yeah, but he's not. Ha ha ha.
Yeah, let's hack, man. Yeah. Yo, dude.
Why are you getting out of the car?
Because this car sucks.
Just stop changing cars so much. It's boring. You're wasting time, man.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Why? You're wasting time.
Yeah,
Now
man.
stop the music. Stop the music. Stop the music. There you go. Stop it. Stop it.
What's your emergency?
Stop the
We
music.
have an emergency here. Please.
Man, what the hell? Why? Now the police is gonna chase after you.
Oh no, this game is just like GTA.
All units, be
There you go, you're
advised,
screwed now.
CTOS scan.
Get out of that circle. Get out of the damn circle. Get out of the damn circle. Circle will start moving once you get out of it. So keep escaping. Why are we taking such a stupid slow vehicle?
By mistake, bro.
Bro, how did you get out of your original vehicle? That was stupid.
Because it was.
We can't make the video too long.
All units, this is squad. CTOS scan came up blank.
We have to keep it 25 minutes at max. Let's see how much it's been. Okay, it's 23:50. No, we'll have to end it there. We can't do the next mission.
Why?
Because I said so.
Okay, let me
It
just.
takes like a day to upload anything that's above 30 minutes.
Let
Just
me
get
just
till there.
reach that train.
Reach there.
Okay, now I can go directly. Passing the road. Sorry.
Oh, we did.
Shit.
Okay,
good, man.
on that happy note, we are gonna end this video.
Wait. There's
Yeah.
a big argument going on between me and Nandan. Nandan says Xbox better, I say PS4. So please comment below.
If you like it, then you should put a ring on it. I mean, if you like it, then you should subscribe to it. So,
Please subscribe, guys.
yeah, if you like it, that is.
And if you don't like it, then
You subscribe anyway. Thanks a lot. Let's try to make it exactly 25.
bye, guys.
Let's see.
Come on, I already said bye, man.